Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Viva's Kitchen, and I believe you're all doing great. Thanks for returning. Today I want to share with you how to make this simple yet delicious peppered gizzard. You love the recipe. It's just so simple, but the ingredients put together, ooh lovelies, is so tasty. So go nowhere. As always, stay till the end and be inspired. Lovelies, to support your girl, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. Yeah? And if it's your first time here, I hope you'll be inspired to join this amazing family. Don't forget to also recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. In a saucepan, I'm adding my well-cleaned gizzard. Next, my ginger powder, onion powder. Next, my homemade organic chicken seasoning, which the video is playing on my channel. Check it out and be inspired. Next, my homemade all-purpose green marinade, scotch bonnet peppers, red and spring onions. Now I'm adding my shrimp tablet and salt to taste, and I'll proceed to give it a gentle stir. Mind you, I'm not adding water at this stage. I want the gizzard to release their own juices for this process, and as a result, they will absorb all the flavors of the aromatics and they will taste great in the end. I hope you get it. Oh wow, now look how concentrated the juice is, and this is so perfect. Now I'm covering the saucepan up for the gizzard to take time to steam really well. Ooh, lovelies, you need to be here. Ooh, lovelies, talk of the aroma is perfect. Talk of the spiciness, amazing. Talk of the flavor, don't even go there. Everything is so on point. And you can see the juice has even simmered down. And at this point, I'm going ahead to add oil. Give it a gentle stir and allow it to simmer, kind of fry, for the gizzard to be a little bit crispy, not too much. Okay, however, you can go ahead and fry them properly, but this is how I want mine. And I'm back after a few minutes and the gizzard is so ready. I'm adding my green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and onion for color and for flavor. And after that, give it a gentle stir until everything is well combined. Lovely, since I want my vegetables crunchy, I'll turn off the heat at this point, and you can even add more veggies as you want, and it's all fine. But this is what I'm going for. I'm making it simple yet super delicious. Lovelies, I hope you give it a try and thank me later. A video of my turmeric rice is also playing right now on my channel. Check it out and be inspired. These two together is so heavenly. You will love it. To support your girl, please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share for others to see, and don't forget to comment and let me know your thoughts about the recipe. Also, if it's your first time seeing my video, kindly do me a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos, and I'm so sure you will love it here. And don't forget to also recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. Lovely, this is the end of our video, and I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. And what more can I say? A very big thank you to all my subscribers and followers for always liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos. I appreciate you all. God richly bless you. Please keep supporting your girl, and I'll forever be grateful. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Toodles! Peace out.